For easy understanding of any language in Zoom meeting apps, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to set different language captions and translation of Zoom meeting without any stress. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Zoom app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and start a meeting. For that, go ahead and click on here. Then go ahead and click on start a meeting. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on start.